Hello the student of class 4, welcome back to your science class. Today we will discuss about chapter number 10, the solar system. So, you have seen the sun, the moon and the stars. Apart from the earth we live, there are more 7 planets. All these planets along with their satellite revolves around the sun. So the sun along with its planet and the moon is called a solar system. So there are total 8 planets of a solar system, and the fixed path of a planet around the sun is called its orbit. The total 8 planets of the solar system in order from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury is nearest to the sun and Neptune is farthest from the sun. More about the planets. Among these 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars and Earth are called inner planets, and these 4 planets are solid with rocky surface. And the rest 4 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, are made up of gases and are larger in size. Now come to the Earth. Earth is very special planet because it is the only planet which has air and water, and all the living organisms are found here. We live on the Earth. Do you know how Earth was formed? Initially, the Earth was a huge ball of dust and hot gases. All of you look at the picture. Look at the picture of page number 77. This picture, okay? So, if you look carefully, you can see that there are 3 layers: crust, mantle and core. Now, the question is, what is crust? We live on the upper cool and hard surface of the earth, that is called crust, and the inner part of the earth is hot and rocky and is called mantle, and the central part of the earth is very hot and molten and is called the core. And the temperature of the core area is about 3700 degrees centigrade. It has a great pressure. When the molten rocks find a weak spot on Earth's surface, earth crust, they break through it and the hot boiling liquid, which is called lava, comes out, okay? And then this is called the volcano. যখন সেই হট মোল্টেন লিকুইডটা অর্থাৎ লাভাটা বেরিয়ে আসে তাকে তখন আমরা বলি ভলক্যানো। অ্যান্ড আন্দামান অ্যান্ড নিকোবর আইল্যান্ড is the only area in India where active volcanoes are found. এখানটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট, তোমরা কিন্তু ভালো করে পড়বে। Now come to the movement of Earth. Earth makes 2 kinds of movement: rotation and revolution. Now, what do you mean by rotation? The spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Rotation causes day and night, and one rotation takes 24 hours. Now, revolution. What is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed orbit is called revolution, and revolution causes season change, okay? And one revolution take 365 days. দেখো what causes season, এখানটা তোমরা একটু ভালো করে পড়ো, okay? Now come to the equator. What is equator? See, all of you look at this picture, okay? Picture of page number 79. If you look carefully, you can see that there is a yellow line in the middle of the earth. দেখো একটা yellow কালারের লাইন গেছে, which is called the equator. The earth has been divided into 2 equal halves by an imaginary line is called the equator. And half the earth between the equator and the north pole is called northern hemisphere. এই যে ইয়েলো মানে লাইনটা যেটাকে আমরা ইকুয়েটর বলছি, এখান থেকে নর্থ পোল এই এরিয়াটাকে বলা হচ্ছে নর্দার্ন হেমিস্ফিয়ার। ওকে, and the other half between the equator and the south pole is called southern hemisphere. There are two more imaginary line. The line in the northern hemisphere is called Tropic of Cancer and the line in the southern hemisphere is called Tropic of Capricorn. তোমরা দেখো এই পিকচারটার দিকে, নর্থ পোল টপিক অফ ক্যান্সার, ইকুয়েটার টপিক অফ ক্যাপ্রিকর্ন অ্যান্ড সাউথ পোল খুব সুন্দরভাবে দেখানো আছে। এখানটা তোমরা একটু ভালো করে দেখো, ভালো করে এটা প্র্যাকটিস করো, মানে দেখে রেখো আর কি। নাও কাম টু দ্য লাস্ট পার্ট, ফেস্টিভ্যালস অ্যান্ড দ্য হেভেনলি বডিজ। এখানটা জাস্ট গো থ্রু করবে। ওকে, সাম ফেস্টিভ্যালস আর রিলেটেড টু দ্য হেভেনলি বডিজ। ফর এক্সাম্পল ঈদ। Eid is celebrated depending on the position or appearance of moon, and many other festivals, Indian festivals, are linked to the season. For example, Boishakhi, Bihu, Lori, Pongal are some such festivals. Okay, so this chapter is very very important. এখানে অনেক important topic আছে, তোমরা অবশ্যই পড়ো। What is orbit, what is solar system, name the 8 planets, what is crust, mantle and core, movement of earth, what do you mean by equator. Okay, so that's all, and come to your exercise part. Your exercise is mentioned in your worksheet. তোমরা চ্যাপ্টারটা ভালো করে পড়ে ওয়ার্কশিটটা করো। Okay, so that's all. See you in the next class. Tata.